So May 30th, 2020, arrived at the Bear River Bird Refuge. Only took just a little more than an hour to get here, but we just entered the dirt road area a little bit ago, and there's quite a bit of water around in the Bear River, like right next to us here, and there are various ducks, red-winged blackbirds, I saw white pelicans, some other things, so we're just going to venture forward. Beautiful bird there. Very hard to see the glare on the screen. I think I got it. All right. A lot of flies around, but they're not bothersome. 91 degrees. Just scan around here. So a hot summer day. All right. Forward. Stand in the car for this one. Lots of bugs around, so lots of good food for them. So as we go along, it's getting more marshy or something. I don't know. There's a lot more water, which is really strange out here in a desert. Then again, the river on the right side of us. I see some fish swirling in the water every now and then. Okay. Alright, seeing some big fish flounder around, sometimes sticking their tails out of the water, so I'm going to try to capture them. Yeah, there's one right there.
So funny. And they're big. Interesting to go kayaking out there.
The right time of year, yeah. Here's some of these pelicans, which I enjoy seeing. There's the one. And then the other. Look at all that water, it's just amazing. There's some nice geese family here. Mom at the front, dad at the back, or vice versa, and all the little ones in the middle. Cute. So the water on the left side of this causeway is higher than the water on the right side, and the little bridge here, and so there's a lot of water gushing down to this lower level here, and it's kind of fun to watch these birds, like cormorants, but I'm sure they're not, something like that, that family. They just like dive down and probably catch little fish coming through the wash there. And then they pop back up again.
I think those are the grebes.
There he is. It's fun watching them do that. Pretty windy outside here right now, so I'm just doing this inside the car, so I'm going to get all this noise. There's one of the black-tip pelicans. Or maybe that's still the Great American. I don't see any black on the wings on that one.
When it flew in, it had black.
Okay, they tuck some under, I guess. Supposedly around, yeah, there you can see it now. Like 10,000 of these things here at different times. Okay. All right. It's interesting. You can actually see these big fish are carp, sticking their tails up every now and then and stuff. They're like 2 or 3 feet long. Almost like salmon trying to go upstream or something. I'm not sure if it will come out on the video or not. Every now and then they break water. There's a lot more of these carp. Look like brown objects floating just below the surface. Very interesting. It's another family of geese. Working our way. We're beyond the halfway point now.